Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2012 Jeep Compass Limited. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and an automatic transmission. This guy is in the bright white and it looks great. You got that chrome accenting up front on the grille here. As well, it does come with halogen headlamps right there, and you do have the fog lights just down there as well. Now coming around the side, we do have 18-inch rims with Michelin brand tires. Lots of treads still left on them. They'll be good for a while, and those rims look really nice as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors here, so you will be getting going a little bit quicker in those mornings. It won't be all frosted over. You got the Compass logo just down there, and coming around the back here, you do have the 4x4 logo there and the Limited logo right there. And we can open this guy up as long as it is unlocked and get into the back. It is very soft back here as well. Lots of room for storage. You can fold the seats forward if you did want. Also under here is your spare tire if you did need it. Hopefully you won't be needing it, but if you did, you got it there. You do have the Boston Premium Audio little logo right there, and all of the speakers are the Boston Premium speakers as well. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and you do got your panic button down there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here as well. You do have a little bit of that chrome accenting right here on the handle, and you got another handle right here. As well, you have a little bit of storage down here, and you got your speakers. It is an electric seat, so back and forward. Plus it is a leather interior, very nice, very soft, and they warm up very nicely as well. This guy here is the control over your high beams as well as your turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now in the center there, it does tell us what station we're on and the temperature outside and the way that we are facing. And we can change that around a little bit. So you do have your kilometers till empty, you got your tire pressure, you got a timer, you can change your units, and then you got your systems, your personal settings, and then back there as well as the average liters per 100 kilometer. And the other side, it does tell us our gear that we're in and how many kilometers it's been. Now we do have those controls right here on our steering wheel, as well as we have a horn in the middle, and then we have our cruise control options on the other side. This guy here is our controls over our windshield wipers. Okay, and in the center here you do have your touchscreen display, so you have your voice recognition up here, plus your call out button. You have your radio here, so you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM, and then you got your media tab here, so you have your disc, as well as your hard disk drive, so you can actually load up music directly onto here, and then you don't need anything else. You also have an aux cord. You have your volume here. You have your navigation up here if you did want to use that. Access that right through there, and then you have this button, which actually makes it so you can see your CD player, which is hanging out right back there. Very cool with the sliding. Then you got your menu here, your audio options, and then you have the My Files if you do have something hooked up through there. You got a USB plug-in here and your aux cord right there. Then down here we do have the controls over the climate, so we have the power up and down plus the circulation. Then you have how hot and the AC, and then where it's going to blow out of. Then you have your heated seats and your traction control. And then you have your hazard lights and your heated seats for your passenger. A bit of storage here, and you do have your gear shift right there as well. Plus, we got some cup holders here, our park brake, and then we also got our 4-wheel lock guy down there. There is a plug-in just under there as well. And then this guy is our armrest, and it does double as a storage container. So you got the top layer, and you also got the bottom layer in there as well. Then you got like a dual layer glove box over here. You got the top one, and then you also have your owner's manual in the bottom one. And then up top here we do have our universal garage door opener right there, and we have our lights, plus we do have our sunroof. Let's take a look in the back, open her up here. Now they do have that same kind of chrome accenting up here, and the handle here, the controls over their windows. A bit of storage down here and those speakers as well. It is leather back here as well, and it is very soft and a very nice feel to it. Lots and lots of leg room as well. You got some cup holders there, and then this guy here, you can actually pull it and it folds the seats down just like that. You can do the same with the other side, and you got lots and lots of room. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2012 Jeep Compass Limited. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.